A number of big surveys, such as the IBM CEO survey and the World Economic Forum research, have found that creative thinking is the number one skill needed in today's rapid change world. Yet when it comes to creative thinking and innovation, we believe a crime has been committed. Our initial research has identified that although 98% of children score high as geniuses on divergent thinking tests, only 2% of adults do. Additionally, while IQ is rising due to what's known as the Flynn effect, our creative quotient, our CQ, is actually dropping over time. What we learned from the research we did for our book, Who Killed Creativity and How to Get It Back, was that when certain environmental aspects are present, which can include both damaging psychological and cultural elements, our capacity for creative thinking can literally be stifled. But it will thrive in the right environment. We believe it's time to explore these factors in more depth, and now it's possible to do something through our very own CSI creative scene investigation game. Allow me some creative license saying that what we believe that these are dangerous forces that are at work that can kill our creativity. And there's no point in progressing to design thinking or creative problem solving until we have addressed these challenges. So we have set a memorable murder mystery theme to explore who killed creativity, with what weapon, and how we can get it back.
Who Killed Creativity is now available online as a digital tool to discover and diagnose blocks in our current environments at the individual, team, and company levels. There's now the option to play this as a diagnostic game, either independently in a virtual self-directed context or using one of our professional facilitators. We use educational methods such as gamification based on experiential learning, exploring the implications and applications for individuals and teams to ensure the learning lasts. This approach is backed by thorough, validated academic research, as detailed in a series of white papers and books. All sessions can be included as part of a full learning ecosystem to learning with a flipped classroom blended format with the option of pre- and post-online learning modules, coaching and accreditation to ensure there is ongoing, long-lasting behaviour change.
Welcome to our crime scene investigation to discover who killed creativity and how can we get it back. In this gamified, non-competitive session, you, the participants, will gather around a board game to solve the Who Killed Creativity crime using fictional characters to represent the key creativity blockers and enablers, and explore the relevance of these concepts in a safe space. You will be asked to solve a mystery, and in the process, you will be led step by step through the themed experience to discover how to restore creative thinking. For over 20 years, we've worked with market leaders who have engaged us to introduce this unique approach for a deep dive diagnostic and to prepare for solving real wicked challenges, real problems, and design thinking. And now it's your turn.